Welcome back to my channel. Ignore my big old glasses, but these are for blue light and they're kind of cute and they help. But anyway, so welcome to my channel and welcome back welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are not. So I am at work. I actually just finished up my clients for the day, and let me turn my air purifier off. And I didn't record what I was doing because, let me see if I can, yeah, that's a little bit better. Because my allergies, you guys, I just can't even function right now. They're all over the place. Please just let me know if I am not the only one suffering like this. I feel horrible. So another reason why I want to keep my glasses on, because I'm about to do my nails, girl. I haven't done my nails in a while, and I actually put up a post asking you guys to vote on which nails that I should do, and so I am going to do that finally. But I have been down and out with these allergies, so excuse my absence. I would have probably uploaded a video much sooner, but it's been crazy. So I think today I'm just going to record me doing my nails a little bit, and I now have a TV in my nail room, so I'm about to watch some YouTube because that's my version of TV, and then get my nails started. Alright, so I'm currently in my bed feeling sick as a dog, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with a whole long drawn out voiceover, but I just wanted to pop on and kind of give little bits and pieces here and there. But this video is sped up. Obviously, I don't work this fast. It took me about an hour and a half to finish my full set, including painting, which I didn't get to put up here, and I'm so mad, but I wasn't feeling good. And at the time that I was recording this, I thought that it was just my allergies, but no, bitch, I got a cold. And my kids are homesick too. We're all sick in the bed, chilling. So anyway, right here, I'm just kind of cleaning up my cuticle area. My nails looked a hot, spicy mess. The last set I had was a like a full coverage nail, a prey dupe. I can't even talk. And you know, they're cool, but it's not my favorite thing in the world. But anyway, here I am clipping that dead skin that I brought up with my cuticle bit. And I like nice, clean cuticles, you guys. That is, first of all, it's important to get all the dead skin up anyway before you're laying down any acrylic, or, you know, that's a part of your prep. So if you want long-lasting nails, then prepping is key. So get rid of them nasty, dry cuticles, girl. So I'm just clipping away. Look at them big ass glasses. They're cute though, but I didn't know they were gonna be that big. But they do help with blue light. So, and it was kind of like a little protection as I was drilling and filing my nails. I don't know what the hell just happened. So now I'm just going to buff away a little bit of the shine on low speed, and this is my 5-in-1 bit. I think I got this from, did I get this from Valentino? I think so. I think this is a Valentino bit, which I really actually love. I love this bit. So yeah, girl, I'm just continuing the prep, and after this we will move into laying down those tips, and the tips that you'll see me bring out, I actually got from, where did I get those from? Cosmoprof, which you need a license in order to shop there. I don't usually get my tips there, but at the time I was running low on the tips that I typically order from Amazon, and I just needed a quick box of tips, and they worked. So now I'm just making sure that the tips are fully adhered to the tip of my natural nail. And you don't want any air bubbles here. That is super important because it will lift. It will lift away from your natural nail if you have any bubbles or gaps in between the enhancement and your natural nail. So just take your time with it. Let the glue sit on your nail. Press it down firmly and give it at least 5 to 10 seconds before you lift up. So this is me just etching the surface chemically instead of with the drill. I don't like to use the drill too much, and I'm just etching it with acetone. So we're making a nice smooth surface for the acrylic to be adhered to. Just smoothing it into my natural nail and making it kind of like seamless. Here I am taking Valentino's dehydrator and oh my god, what the hell is this? Dehydrator, and y'all know what it is, right? Yeah. I'm drawing a blank. Give me a break. I'm sick. If it comes to me, I will mention it. And here I am using the gel bottles, clear rubber base. I got this from a nail tech on TikTok. I wish I remembered her name because I would definitely put her information here. This just helps with a longer lasting set. It helps the acrylic adhere. Definitely gave my nails and my clients' nails an extra week's retention after I started using this. And yeah, I like it. So I kind of scrub it into the base like I would do a base coat. And so I scrub it into my nail up to the cuticle, but I don't flood it. And then I just bring it down throughout the nail. And you don't need a thick layer. A nice thin layer will do. And it has like a tacky surface. So now I'm just going to get my beads and lay my acrylic. I kind of like, excuse me, I go back and forth on how I lay my beads when I'm doing my own nails. Sometimes I'll start at the middle, like the apex area of my nail first, and then I'll work my way down to the cuticle of my nail because I don't want to flood the, I don't want to flood that cuticle area. Because that does cause lifting. So I just kind of play around with it, and me doing my own nails is also a version of me practicing, because I'm okay with trying different techniques and different ways of accomplishing a nice seamless, like clean look on myself rather than practicing on my clients, because guess what, if it doesn't work and my nails break sooner than later, then I don't, it's fine. I can fix it. I just don't want that happening to my clients. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. And this nail brush, or this acrylic brush I also got that from Cosmoprof. I don't know the number off the top of my head, but if I remember to check, depending on when I'm feeling better, I will leave that information below. I'm back. That was my daughter kindly interrupting me. So I like to lay my acrylic a little thicker with initial application so that when I file, I'm not filing too much off because I get a little file happy, I can't lie. But yeah, I like my nails a little thicker anyway, not too thick. Like, I can't stand when I feel like I see nail tips that look like they're an inch thick, girl. But I like them thick enough because I'm rough on my hands. I do a lot, so I need these things to last. And right now I'm just kind of like cleaning up around the cuticle. And as you'll see while I'm like applying my acrylic, I slowly am building up that apex, and I'll just double check my work and continue to make sure that everything looks seamless, because the less time or the more neat you lay your acrylic, the less time you're going to spend filing, hand filing and with your e-file. And I don't like to spend a whole ton of time filing, especially my own nails, because I'll get cramps so bad in my hands sometimes. So yeah, it's totally different from filing somebody else's. And like my left hand is so freaking easy to do because I am right-handed. Girl, once I get to that right hand, it is just like, I'm dreading it. I'm always dreading it. I should try. So another nail tech that I watch on TikTok, she suggested to try doing the dominant hand first with the less dominant hand. And that way you can kind of get that out the way. And then once you do your, once you start using your dominant hand to work on your other hand, then it's just a lot quicker, a lot smoother, and then you're pretty much done. So yeah, I'll let you guys continue to watch me lay this acrylic, and then we'll get to the filing. But get into this application. So cute, so cute. Very crisp and not too much filing I'll have to do. So I essentially went for a tapered square. I normally love a good coffin, but I've been really into tapered squares. But if I say but one more time, I go back and forth with the shape of my nails because I like to practice different shapes. I like the way different nail art looks on different shapes. So yeah, you can catch me with an almond, a stiletto, a square, a tapered square, a coffin. The only thing you're not going to catch me with is them damn duckbill nails. You're not going to catch me with those. So now I'm just taking my 501 bit, my Valentino bit, and my e-file, and I am just sealing the cuticles, and then I'm going to smooth out the surface wherever I see any leftover bumpiness or unevenness. And my favorite part is sealing my cuticles. I just don't like to do it on my opposite hand. It's a mess, but when I use my dominant hand though, it comes out so smooth. So I'm just taking my time and perfecting my shape. probably be the last time I pop on with this disgusting voice, but I'm gonna let y'all watch me admire the shape that I got, and wherever I feel like I lost some of that more sharp square, I'll go back in with my hand file and sharpen it up. So here, you'll see I switched my the direction of my e-file back because I thought I was doing something by switching it in the opposite way and thought I was gonna make it easier, but no, didn't work. So I am going to do that side and probably get aggravated. Oh, and you'll see me look up so many times during this video because I was watching Inventing Anna. Girl, I think I'm almost done. I think I have like 2 episodes left. But I hate watching it at night because I tend to fall asleep. But anyway, yeah, this is it. And you guys are about to see how they turned out in just a moment. And yep, thanks for watching.